nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something very easy and fresh. We're going to make a chicken salad. Very easy. It's my chicken salad. I'll give you this way, but later you can use your fantasy to do your own salad. We need just some few ingredients. Of course, chicken. I use chicken breast, but you can use as well chicken thighs if you like. I'm gonna use this salad, but you can use any salad you like. Salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some feta cheese, dry tomato, olives, mango, some corn, a little bit of avocado and cucumber. And I'm gonna fry this chicken. Okay, we start from the chicken. The most work is that, and I show you the way I'm cut it. Just take your knife. You can do dice or you can do strips like this. Easy to cook quickly, you know, like that. Or if you have to dice it, take a little bit longer. But dice, you can do the strip like this. Put the same and dice it. Okay, this up to you. I'm going to do the straight like this, okay, because for me it's easy and I like find like that. Okay, oh, cut your this one because it's big. I cut in two like butterfly. These nerves, because my partner don't like, and I use for the stock, okay? And stuff like this, guys, very easy to cook, okay? Cut your chicken and I show you the next step. Okay, guys, my chicken is ready. Now attach olive oil, chicken in. It's gonna fry for 2-3 minutes, not more, Anyway, we leave this to fry a little bit. The next step, wash your knife, and we start chop the stuff, you know. Example, I start from my mango, the side, up to you, you know. I going to this, guys. And later the amount, how much you like or how many people you gonna feed, okay? This example is my mango is done. Don't forget to add some salt, a little bit black pepper. I'm gonna cut some cucumber. I like the cucumber without skin. I take here skin off, it's a seed off. Okay, like this. When I'm finished this, I'm gonna show you the seeds. I ate off, but if you like, you can leave. But I recommend to take it off because it's better. Now this as well, you cut the way you like, okay? Roughly, like that. It's good. Okay, when I cut all this cucumber, I'm gonna show you the next. What I'm doing. Okay, guys, the chicken wanna be nice like that. We leave another couple minutes, and we continue with you know, we have the mango, the cucumber, corn is ready. Now I chop this dried tomato. If you don't like dried tomato, you can put the normal tomato, but dried tomato is, you know, that flavor, the sour a little bit, you know? Not too many. This is done. And basically now, this chicken, we have 30 seconds, a little bit of butter, turn it off, and just leave the butter melt with this meat. You know, it's off. Oh, look at that. And this we leave in pan like this. Last thing I have to do, I need a little bit of mango, avocado, I don't need that. I wanna put just this rough. I wanna break on the salad. Now, what we do? We take a nice bowl for the salad. I have my beautiful with olives and lemon. Oh, I love it. And we start the chicken on the bottom. Put everything. You know, it was squiggly. So someone like warm salad inside. How much you like? If we need more, we put more. And my mango. And my cucumber. Look at that, beautiful. Some corn. I think all. We add this dry tomato. Look how nice it is. Our black olives. Now mix everything nicely. Help yourself with by hands. And now we're gonna prepare the dressing. Avocado. Just chop like that. How much you like? Yeah? Yes, like this. Okay, it's enough for me. Now, I wash my hands and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prepare the dressing, okay? Okay guys, the first mix is done. Now we're gonna prep the dressing. Easy. We start from nice lemon. We need lemon juice, very easy. For this amount, I think 1 lemon is enough. I have to block the... Okay, lemon is in. I add some mustard, quite nice one. Try even with nice 2 tablespoon. Mix. I add some sweet chili sauce, olive oil, salt, black pepper. Mix well everything. Take your time. Oh yeah. Now last touch is a little bit of garlic. Always is sticky, okay? Inside. This is gonna be, guys, very nice. You see? And try a little bit. It's fantastic. Wow, very nice. And guys, the job is done. Now everything on the top. Mix everything again. Quite nice. Yeah. Wow, the smell, guys, is very nice. Now, at the last is the feta. The feta, just break it by hands like that and put on the top. How much you like, of course. I have my partner wife soon. She love it. Okay, guys, my chicken salad is ready. A little touch of black pepper on the top and another, because I'm Italian, olive oil, like this. Guys, my chicken salad is this. Beautiful. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Wow, what can I say? My chicken salad is this. Delicious, I'm drooling. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!